Hello? Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Mom, are we going to stop this?
Huh?
Can we stop this?
Stop what?
Can we stop the turkey? Can we stop Laquan?
You can if you want.
Okay, LaQuisha. Here we go, girl. I don't want to. Oh, it's so bloody and then gross. Damn turkey. Do I do it in the sink? Ah. Help me. Help me. Do I put her in the thing? I'm gonna wait and I gotta massage her again. She's so tense. Poor LaQuisha. I am. Yeah, I'm rubbing the turkey and I'm making it soft. So I can put the turkey in my mouth. Or mouth. Okay. That didn't work out that good. Stroking the turkey skin. That's so gross. Let me hug you. Mom, LaQuisha hugged me with their arms. Are the arms supposed to be loose? Or did I totally break this turkey?
Can't wait to have our first Thanksgiving together. Love you, listening.
Who?
Karina.
Too bad I'm not gonna be there. 'Cause I gotta work. Boop. I'm done playing with the turkey. That's just gross. Okay, bye.